Hello, ghouls and ghosts. Welcome to spooky season. This year's Halloween VBPen release are inspired by some of our favorite darkness queens, also known as villains. It's their time to sparkle and shine. Let me introduce you to each one. Don't be a poor, unfortunate soul and miss out on this VB pen. This is Ursula. She has matte pale lavender paint, very similar to Ursula's skin tone, black hardware, and the crystals are teal, violet, and transparent black. This VB pen is 101% positively glamorous. Say hello to CRUELLA. She is a matte white pen, black hardware with black, clear, and dark red crystals. You don't want to be sleeping on this enchanting VB pen. This is Maleficent. It is a matte, medium dark, blue-purple paint, black hardware with a lime green, mauve, purple, and fuchsia crystals. The evil queen is wickedly beautiful and sure to be the apple of your eye. This is one of my favorites. It is a matte, very dark black paint, black hardware with purple, red, black, and golden yellow crystals. These clear Darkness Queen stickers were featured in September's Darkness VB kit. I am going to be releasing them on VBPen release day on Tuesday, so if you wanted to grab extras, you certainly can. If you missed out on the whole kit, you can grab the Darkness Queen stickers. What do you guys think? Leave a comment below and let me know which Darkness Queen is your favorite. I've been wanting to do a villain inspired release for a while now, since the Princess Pens were released last year. Huge shout out to Angelica for putting together the little blurbs and short descriptions for each villain. She does a great job on those every month. Bundles and pen sticker sheets will be available on release day as well, so don't forget to put those stickers in your cart. Thanks for watching, and happy Halloween to all of you. I will see you next time.